Modal perfect should have expresses past advice or regret. Use should have to talk about things that happened in the past that you wish were different. This structure helps express what was the right thing to do but didn't happen. Use should have to give advice about past events. Use it to express regret about things that did not happen. Use it to criticize past decisions. Use it to talk about expectations that were not met. These are the 4 main situations for should have. I should have studied harder for the exam means I regret not studying enough. You should have told me you were going to be late shows criticism of someone's past action. They should have left earlier to avoid the traffic expresses past advice. Each example shows regret or criticism about the past. The structure is subject plus should have plus past participle. For example, I should have studied. She should have called. They should have arrived. Notice should have always goes together followed by the past participle form of the main verb. Should have means you wish something had happened. For example, I should have studied. Shouldn't have means you wish something had not happened. For example, I shouldn't have eaten so much. The negative form changes the meaning completely. Wrong, I should studied harder. Correct, I should have studied harder. Wrong, she should has called. Correct, she should have called. Always use should have plus past participle, never should plus past tense or should has. Practice sentence 1, you should have worn a jacket because it was cold. Practice sentence 2, we shouldn't have eaten so much because we feel sick now. Practice sentence 3, he should have called his mother because she was worried. Say these sentences out loud to practice. Sometimes should have appears in polite expressions. Thank you shouldn't have is a polite way to say thank you for a gift or favor. It shows appreciation and surprise that someone went to extra trouble for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.